These soft chocolate buns are insanely delicious.
Let's start with the ingredients.
Start with flour.
Add some sugar. Add yeast for soft buns.
Add a pinch of salt.
Add warm milk.
Mix everything together.
Add butter for softness.
Knead until smooth.
Let it rest for 1 hour.
Look how soft and fluffy it is.
Punch the dough.
Add chocolate chips and knead again.
Shape into smooth balls, like this.
Add chocolate filling. Seal it properly.
Let them rest again.
Bake until golden.
Look at these beautiful buns. Just look at that.
Follow for more delicious recipes.